Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you some quick tips on how to create a saved search link in IDXBroker. In this video, we're creating saved search links for the purpose of SEO. Google loves IDXBroker saved links. They are really valuable. They're what I call Google Gold. So these are really great for you to make, and there's a couple of tips I can show you on how to make them more quickly. So you're going to log into your IDXBroker account and you're going to go to Design, and then Website, and then Saved Links. Now you're going to see your links in here. For instance, in this account we have about 1,200 saved searches, a lot of great ones with zip codes and different things like that, subdivisions and so on and so forth. So what we'll do here is I'm going to show you an example of how to copy a link. So let's say you have a link already made, and Ballantyne is a very popular area in Charlotte, North Carolina, so we have a lot of Ballantyne links. So here's Ballantyne, here's the primary link, Ballantyne Charlotte Homes for Sale. The easiest way to create multiple links, let's say we want to make another link, and we're using the keyword Ballantyne Charlotte Homes for Sale, but let's say we just want to have Ballantyne Homes for Sale. You can make the same link over and over with the same criteria so that the search criteria is the same. Let's go in here and look at the criteria. So right now we have the zip code for Ballantyne in here, and that's it. This is the zip code for Ballantyne. So this zip code denotes Ballantyne. That's the only thing that we want to use. We may want to make sure it says active in here and save the link. Okay, so we have this save link that we've created. What we want to do is we want to come over here and we want to click on this little double paper symbol icon, and that's going to duplicate it. So now we're going to call this, instead of Ballantyne Charlotte Homes for Sale, we're going to say Homes for Sale in Ballantyne NC. Just use a different keyword. And these are keywords that people are typing. So if you want to know what people are typing in for Ballantyne keywords, just type one of the keywords in Google and you're going to see lots of them. So for instance, houses for sale in Ballantyne. That's another one. So you can come here and again, find your link and duplicate it, and there you go. Well, I'm going to use proper capitalization. Okay. Oh, there's already one in here, so we'll just take the NC out. Now, one other thing that you want to do, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the title on this column created so I can see the newest ones first. So I had to click it twice. Here's the two links that we have just made. And I'm going to go ahead and right click over here on Preferences, Edit Preferences. And I'm going to open these in new tabs so I can see them quicker. Now, here's the new one that I just made, but you'll notice that the meta tags description is still the old version. So you want to update that. And then you also want to update your header. So if you've ever made saved links with me, or if you haven't, then go back and watch some of my other videos. But when making saved links, I always put the title of the link. It should be the same, and the URL, the permalink, the meta tags, the keywords, the link display, and in the subheader. And this should be a heading 1 and centered. Now, if you have a lot of time on your hands, you really should give this a better description. This should be a really good description, something that shows up here so that when somebody types this in, they're going to see something like this. You want to have a good description in there. These are good descriptions. You can't really put how many homes for sale, but these are all good descriptions as well. Use something like this. Your description should be something like that. So your keywords, Google doesn't pay a lot of attention to keywords, but other search engines do, so it's worth it to put a couple in here. Maybe like that, and instead of houses, just house for sale in Ballantyne. And you're going to go ahead and put just a couple of these in here so that you have some keywords in there. And whatever you put in, when you're done, you're going to come down here and hit Save Changes. So once you're done with that, make sure you do the same thing with any other ones you've done. I usually do this one at a time so I don't forget to go back in and do this for any other ones. And, you're making these saved links to make sure that you try to create as many as you can for as many different keywords. So just because, for instance, you might have Marvin, North Carolina homes for sale, look at the tip that I showed you earlier about typing in the keyword here. Go down to the bottom and look at the other different keywords. So homes for sale and Marvin School District. These are searches related to Marvin NC homes for sale. And you want to look at these and make as many as you possibly can, because these are things that Google is saying are related that other people are searching for. So if other people are searching for these, and this is a very long tail keyword, then you might want to make searches that make a search like this as well, so that when somebody types in that exact keyword, your site is more likely to come up. It's actually easier to optimize for a long tail keyword than it is for a short tail keyword. So making saved searches is super important. Another thing that you can do is also you can create a saved search using a price reduction date. So this is kind of a special one that's brand new in IDXBroker. And by adding in a little bit, you have to actually do this by putting in editing the link by hand, putting in your own code. So let's say we're going to do a link. Let's create one. And let's just do Charlotte. Okay. And we're going to say home, let's call it Charlotte homes for sale price reductions. And we'll copy that in the last 30 days. So now I'm going to highlight it, center it, and do a heading 1. And then I'm going to save and manage. Okay, so here's my link. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to go ahead and click on the little search symbol. And I'm going to edit link by hand. And what I want to do here is I want to add a little bit of special code. So we're going to do ampersand A, I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so you can see that, ampersand A min underscore price reduction date equals 30 days. So A min underscore price, capital R reduction, capital D date equals 30D. And then hit save changes. And what this is going to do, now let's go back to our link. Oops. And we're going to click the little eyeball here and view it. It's going to show me homes that have been reduced in the last 30 days. So that's what this is. So there's another tip for you and way to look at homes for sale that have actually been reduced. So hopefully that helps you out, these little quick tips. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email over at support@yoursiteneedsme.com. If you don't have an IDXBroker developer partner, please consider Your Site Needs Me. We love to help out our clients, and we do a lot of cool free stuff for you. So go ahead and give us a call at 517-917-0582 or shoot us an email at support@yoursiteneedsme.com if you're interested. It costs nothing. It's free for you to do, and you get lots of cool stuff. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.